Hey guys, this is James from Petway Family Farmstead. It is a steamy morning here in Georgia, not too hot, around 75 degrees with about a 200% humidity. Come join us today as we take a look at a few of the animals and do some chores in the garden. Mary Beth and who?
Meredith, and I gotta ask Brooke what she named her.
Whatever your name is. Good morning. Got you some layer crumbles and some scratch feed, nine-way scratch. We'll quit talking about it and throw it down. You didn't eat all the corn I threw out here. You get spoiled by this other stuff, aren't you? Here you go. Eat it up. I've been doing pretty well, but we got spoiled by each one of you laying an egg a day. Here lately, y'all been alternating. Instead of us getting 2 eggs a day, we've been getting 1 egg a day.
They don't hardly eat the food that he has in there. They like to scratch it off the ground.
Yeah, I've got that stuff in the back in that tree feeder. I said, the chickens. They want to scratch.
Which is fine with us. Oh, they're gonna need some water today.
No. Oh, the pigs, yeah. I gotta get in there and clean that up. Our 2 Barred Rock sisters. All right, ladies, we'll come back later. Pick
Lay
the
us
eggs.
2 eggs. 2 eggs.
2.
You want this? Is this what we want? Come here. You don't care about the ear scratching today? It's up here, guys. Come on. Here. Here we go.
Yeah, Baloney wants his ear scratched.
Yeah. You like that?
He likes that like a dog.
What about you? Don't bite my hand.
Ham likes it too.
Yeah.
Sandwich just wants to eat.
Yeah.
Ham and bologna sandwich.
Oh, you want to be petted too? Oh, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Idaho pasture pigs, IPPs,
Oh,
an awesome breed.
You want your pet? Nah, not.
Dude, he's laying down to get his pet, and look
Yeah.
at
That's exactly
that's all he cares about. She.
Yeah, good girl. Now we'll be sad when you'll
Henry wants to make sure you realize that he's over
up
there on the porch,
Hi, baby.
and he's not getting petted.
Hi.
Yeah, he's telling you now again.
I know. You love to get petted, don't you? I think more than my dog used to. He's not going. She's not even going after the food. She just wants the pets.
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Sandwich? No, you want the food.
Yeah, that's Sandwich, the little black one.
All right, girl. I gotta go. We gotta go do stuff. I can't just stand here and pet you all morning. Oh, but you want me to? Okay, I understand. All right, good girl. Hi, ladies.
Hey, give me that feed you poured on the ground.
Oh, sorry. Let me see if I can zoom in on you. Hi, girls. These are gonna be our egg layers. They're about 3 months old now.
Yeah, we're in there about.
They should start laying here in the next month or so. James is gonna put a what are you gonna put back there?
And I'll move them in with the other chickens, or move the other chickens in with here. The other egg layers we have, the full-grown ones, once they get a little bit bigger.
Oh, okay.
Just figured while they were small, I'd throw them out here and let them.
You were gonna put a bar up for them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
A roosting place.
I'm gonna put a little small, short roost back there so they can get used to roosting.
They're doing pretty good on this grass and with their feed, except they like to knock over their feed.
Give me some more water. They weren't totally out. That's good. Here you go.
Oh, here she goes. Here they come. Out to the light. Here y'all come. There's your food, babies.
Tell them their names.
Oh gosh. What are their names? Rachel?
Bridget.
Bridget?
And Lucy.
Louise.
Louise.
Unfortunately, my chicken Rosa passed away. We don't really know what caused it. I was very upset. Kids were kind of upset too. There you go, ladies, right on top of it. Good girls.
You on top of that feeder?
Yes.
They'll have all that knocked out in the ground in about 5 minutes.
Yeah, they're scratching it now. I guess that's good if they're scratching at their food. You might need to make sure you move that up under the tarp a little more.
Okay.
We're gonna pull these weeds right here.
Grass plants? Weed plants? Let the sheriff catch us throwing weeds. Chicken food.
We didn't need no shovels, look. Put your nice hole with those.
That's for sure. Don't worry, I got this.
Thank you. You know I can't bend over to get it on.
No, I know. I even pull these weeds too. What we plant?
Not
Bush beans like Duke. Duke tell you the secret?
No. Not yet.
Bush beans, baked bean come in a can?
No. Not Bush's baked beans.
Oh, okay.
Just Bush beans.
Not the ones out of Tennessee.
No. Put a couple in each hole. Put a couple down.
Barely under the surface.
Right. No. I didn't see any kind of improvement in that. You have enough to do that one? I already did these. These are getting bigger, the squash plants.
And what are these over here beside me here?
Cowpeas. I think these are the cream peas, whatever kind of brand they are, whatever.
Some of they're running. We're gonna have to put runners on trellises on those.
You don't know. I think we might have to. I didn't think we did. I thought they were bushy.
Take these back.
You know, I don't really know. This is our first year gardening.
Yeah, this is our first year gardening. This is our first year gardening. I've been married 25 years, and Mrs. Petway Farmstead has wanted a garden for 25 years. And Mr. Petway Farmstead, not sure who that fella is, finally got her one.
Is there enough? Is there 3 of it? I think there's. Okay. That'll work. Make sure we pick these up for the kids.
Are we putting those in here?
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah,
Put one.
let me get my pocket knife out, dig a little hole.
One and a couple of them.
Oh, I'm...
I tried to pull weeds over there around those pole beans, but kept pulling the plants out, so I figured I have to wait till they get bigger. There's a couple of these ones I planted that aren't doing too great. Some of them are. We'll see if these grow.
Y'all keep your fingers crossed for us. We're not disappointed at all with our first year gardening. Not disappointed at all.
I'm sad about my tomatoes. They're not coming in as good as I thought they would.
I mean, the soil's not established, and we're actually moving the garden for next year. This is the best place we can get it in. We've got some raised beds over there, but we're not disappointed at all. Brand new soil, brand new everything, brand new gardeners.
Brand new. Never done it before.
Here you go, babe.
I'd studied for 6 months before I even started one. And then COVID hit and I couldn't find any seeds. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. If you have any advice for first-time gardeners that are organic gardening, please leave a comment below. We'll take any advice we can get. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell and select all. Give us a thumbs up on this video and share on your social media outlets. It would really help our channel grow. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and we love y'all. Bye-bye.